Imagine having a personal trading assistant, always watching the markets, waiting for the perfect moment to strike, and executing trades with precision. Welcome to the world of trading bots, a game changer for retail traders in 2026. In this video, we'll show you how to build a trading bot in Python, step by step. To start, let's clarify what a trading bot is. A trading bot is a software program that automates trading decisions based on predefined rules. It's like having a robot that trades for you 24/7. Our goal is to create a bot that can trade stocks, using a combination of technical indicators and risk management strategies. First, we need to choose a programming language. Python is a popular choice for trading bots due to its simplicity, flexibility, and extensive libraries. We'll use the popular library, Backtested, to create our bot. Backtested is a powerful library that allows us to backtest strategies, visualize results, and even execute trades on live markets.